Ever thought about how a football makes an arc in the air after a powerful kick? Or how an arrow shot from a bow follows a specific path to reach its target? All these examples use a fascinating concept of physics called projectile motion. Imagine you're throwing a stone off a cliff. The stone doesn't fall straight down, right? It travels along a curved path, as if it's moving forward or falling down at the same time. That's what we, basically, call projectile motion. Projectile motion is the path that an object follows when it's thrown or projected in the air, influenced by forces like gravity and air resistance. It's a combination of two types of motion, one being horizontal motion, which remains constant, and the other being vertical motion, affected by gravity. The result? A curved path which we call a parabola. Think about throwing a frisbee. The force you use to throw the frisbee gives it a horizontal motion. At the same time, the force of gravity pulls it down, causing a vertical. The combination of these two forces creates a curved trajectory in the air for the frisbee, demonstrating projectile motion. It's super important that horizontal and vertical motions don't depend on each other. Gravity Karen, horizontal motion no change remains constant till another force, J's wind resistance, doesn't act on it. Wahi pe, because of gravity, vertical motion acceleration hoda high, despite the horizontal motion. So, what determines the path of a projectile? Two things. First, the angle at which the object has been launched. Second, the speed of the object, meaning how forcefully it has been thrown. If the speed is high or the launch angle is a bit sharper, then the flight distance can also increase. In summary, projectile motion is that zigzag path that an object follows when it is launched into the air, and is influenced by gravity and maybe air resistance too. It involves two independent movements, horizontal, and the path of the projectile is determined by its initial speed and launch angle. So, next time when you are watching a football match or flying a paper plane, remember, there's a lot in that arc that you don't see. There's a whole lot of physics going on behind the scenes, all thanks to the concept of projectile motion.